Good morning, boys and girls. Let's sing our song. Good morning, preschool friends. How are you? Good, good. Good morning, preschool friends. How are you? Good, good. It's time to start our day. We will learn and work and play. Good morning, preschool friends. How are you? Good, good. All right, let's take a look at our calendar here. Do you remember what the name of our month is? If you look at this letter, it will give you a hint. That is the letter D, and this says December. All right, let's count to see what the date is. Ready? You can count with me on your calendar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here is number 9. We'll put it on our calendar. And if we put our finger on here and run it up to the top, this day of the week starts with letter W, and W makes this sound. Wednesday. All right, let's say this together. Today is Wednesday, December 9th. All right, and if you look at your calendar, let me get that out here. Here is Wednesday, the 9th, and you can make a 9, which is a circle, and a line. And if you don't know how to make your numbers yet, that's okay. We haven't worked on that at school. So maybe somebody can write it with pencil or a yellow marker, and you can trace over it. All right, now you need your pointer and your hundreds chart, because I'm going to go over to the hundreds chart and count to see how many days we've been at school. All right, here we go. We have a lot of counting to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. That is a 3 and an 8, and it says 38. All right, let me get my marker here, and we will X off number 38. All right, now we're going to open the mailbox to see what fun things are waiting for us in here. All kinds of different stuff. All right, let me come back over here so we can talk about all these things. I'm going to move some of this out of my way. All right, so first of all, let's talk about which of our 5 senses we're going to be learning about today. And let me give you a hint. Do you hear that noise? Or what about this one? Does that sound like the rain outside? Yeah, so we have a clapper, and this is our own little rain bottle, or sometimes there's things called a rain stick. But today we're going to be talking about our sense of hearing. So it's pointing to the mouse's ears because we hear with our ears. And today, your page that you'll be doing says, little elf, what do you hear? Sleigh bells ringing on Santa's reindeer. So in your bag, you should have a jingle bell. And we're just going to pretend that this bell, this jingle bell, is hanging on Santa's reindeer, so you can just tape that on there. If you want to color the reindeer, you can. It's already on brown paper because reindeer are kind of brownish. But we know there's that special reindeer that has a red nose, Rudolph. So if you would like to turn this reindeer into Rudolph, you can go ahead and color his red nose. But since we're talking about hearing today, you'll be adding the jingle bell so you can hear that noise. You'll also be singing some Christmas songs today that talk about jingle bells. And we have another one that's called Shake, Shake. And if you still have your can that we put corn in, you could use that as your instrument while we learn the song called Shake, Shake today. All right. We are also talking about letter G. So I have our letter G book. Do you see the uppercase and the lowercase letter G? And this book is called Gorilla Be Good. Gorilla is sliding down the stairway. I don't think he's being very good. And there's a goldfish in this bowl here. So we'll read this and find out why Gorilla is being told to be good. You also have your 2 letter G papers to work on today. This one, you'll be practicing your handwriting to make letter G uppercase and lowercase. And then we have this book, or this paper, that says Gorilla Gobbles Gooseberries. You'll read about that in the book. But you'll be practicing writing letter G's. And then this is a picture of a game that starts with letter G. A guitar starts with letter G. And a gate. And then you'll have to think of your own. So I have in our cup here some more things that start with letter G. Here is a goldfish. And I have a pack of gum. And a guitar. And a gift. Which we've been talking a lot about gifts lately because it's Christmas time. And you'll be listening to this story today. It's called Sharing Christmas. And this is one of my favorite Christmas stories. It's a really sweet story about the animals that are living out in the winter. But you'll hear a special sound in this book today. And then you'll learn about a special gift in this story. And one of the gifts, actually all of the gifts are for the animals. And today you'll be making a gift for the animals. You have one of these in your bag, along with some bird seed. That's what's in this bag. And I think there's also a string because you're going to be making a bird feeder with this. So I already told your parents that you'll need something to rub on here. If we were making this at school, we would have used this greasy stuff here that sometimes people use to make cookies or pies. So you'll be spreading it onto this tube and rolling it in birdseed. I will be making a video of that later so you can see how to make your bird feeder, which is a gift for the animals. So we'll be talking about that, but make sure you read this story or listen to this story first because it's a really good story. All right, let me check my list here. I also have, besides Shake Shake, I also sent your parents a freeze dance song. So you'll have to listen because you'll be doing certain dances until he tells you to freeze. So make sure you're listening with your ears when you do that song. All right. I think that's all for today. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.